On this episode, I'm going to show you how to do the beard scrub and the beard co-wash at the same time. With that said, let's get right into it. What's going on, world? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. On this episode, I'm going to do a mashup where I'm going to take the beard scrub routine and the beard co-wash routine, and I'm going to put them together. If you're not aware, this is my week 4 where I've been on this beard face-off challenge where I'm giving you a week-to-week demonstration information on how to grow the best version of your beard. So with that said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that routine. In the description below, you're going to be able to find more information on the beard scrub benefits, and then also you can find some benefits of the co-wash in the description. So please go check that out. Please watch the next episode. Don't forget to watch the previous episode. And this is your boy B. As always, I'll see you guys soon. And I'm out.